agree with that. All right, our finalist number 5. Come on up, Naya Ching. How are you doing? Everything, so that is great to hear. Thank you so much. All right, we have our next finalist, Sergio. Come on up from the box. All right, let's see. You picked Marianne Rivera Lopez. Are you scared?
So, ito yung question ko sa'yo. Kamusta ang naging super bad journey mo? At ano ang pinaka-miss mo ngayong gabi pagkatapos nito?
Gusto ko lahat ng super buds. It was a great journey. These 2 months has been very well with them. Sobrang inspiration sila lahat. And to go through my life again without them by my side, I'm gonna miss that. Thank you.
I'm very happy to be part of the top 8, and I'm so happy to be in front of these amazing people, Century Tuna, and right in front of a beautiful lady in front of me, so I'm so very blessed.
Well, congratulations. Let's see who your judge is. I'll open it. Oh, you want to open it? I think I need to for fairness, and that's how we've been doing it. Your judge is Greg Bazon.
Hey, Michael there. Good evening, sir. Super athlete. So we know you're a modern pentathlon athlete. Napag-usapan natin yan during the competition. And then you made the country proud during the Southeast Asian Games, winning a gold medal at that. After the Super Ones competition, what's the next big goal that you want to achieve for yourself?
The next big goal that I want to achieve is become an Olympic champion in the sport of modern pentathlon by 2028. Being here in front of Century Tuna Super Buds, I'd like to continue my advocacy in body, sports, and fitness. Because living in sports and fitness, not only you will have a healthy body, but also have a strong mind that will help you achieve your goals, your dreams, the purpose that God has placed into our hearts, inspire the people around us, so that together we can become the best version of ourselves or the best you ever.
Thank you so much. And I think all of us support you on your next goal in life. Thank you. All right, thank you, Superboss, and thank you to all of our judges. That is hard work and dedication to a healthier lifestyle, and it is ongoing, and it is amazing to see that truly come into fruition.
I agree. Are we ready? We're invited over here. Yes, after hearing 16 answers right here on the stage, who do you think will claim the title? But before we announce who will be the winners, why don't we take a look once again at our top 16 finalists. our Super Bots. Best of luck to everyone. What an impressive match we have right here. And while we are all eagerly waiting for the results, let's find out what the judges have to say to our finalists.
Yes, we have our selection.
Alright. To our judges, is it okay if you join us right here at the stage? Thank you. This is gonna be intense. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime moment having these superstars in one stage. Again, we say thank you to Century Tuna for making this event happen.
Yes, really, what a lineup.
What a lineup.
Honor to share the stage with everyone.
We got the best of the best.
Hello.
Good evening.
So
Thank you
Rob
so much.
Five will be on the side.
Yes.
Hello.
Good evening once again. You made
Dr.
everyone
Maldonado.
smile with all of your burning questions. Okay, allow me to start off with our iconic TV and movie actor, Philippine showbiz, Mr. I'm just kidding. Okay, you've seen our top 16 grace the stage. Okay, nakita po natin at nakalaupang palad niyo po ang ating top 16 dito sa entablado nito. Ano po yung yung bagay na na-impress kayo sa kanya?
Happy and proud for competitors for being so fit tonight, for being ready for this. This competition is not easy. Mentally, physically, you have to be here. So congratulations to all the participants and congratulations to Century Tuna for coming up with such a wonderful program. Congratulations, Century. Congratulations to everyone.
We super agree. And thank you so much for saying yes to our invitation. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our superstar judges. Thank you. We'll be seeing them later with the awarding. Again, that's Sir Aga, Miss Martin, Miss Pia, Sir Richard. Wow. Amazing set of judges for this year's Century Tuna Super Box. Okay.
We are now nearing the grand finale of the night.
And before we announce the highly anticipated results, why don't we